Okay, Bismillah. Okay, welcome back, folks, to another simultaneous equation involving circle equations. What we're going to do, we are now going to, the y is equal to 2x minus 1, which we are now going to sub into the first equation where we see a y. So we have now, Mr. Abdullah, please pay attention, x squared plus y squared. This is y squared. So we substitute the second equation into the first equation as y. Now what do we do now? We have to multiply it out. Copy down the x squared plus 2x minus 1 multiply by itself because it's squared is equal to 36. Folks, keep an eye on, ladies, keep an eye on this. If I do any errors, please put that away, please. Now we need to multiply the brackets. So we have 2x times by 2x and 2x times by minus 1. We have minus 1 times by 2x and minus 1 times by minus 1. So let's multiply them out. So we get now x squared okay, 2x times by 2x is 4x squared. 2x times by minus 1 is minus 1 times by 2x is minus 1 times by minus 1 is plus 1. Okay, equals 36. Now opposite adding 36 is, so we just do that in one go, save ourselves a bit of equals 0. What do we do next? We need to simplify it all. So x squared add 4x squared is equal to 5x squared. Minus 2x and minus 2x gives us 1 take with 36 gives us. Now because in the question wording is said solve it to 2 decimal places, is it? So we know straight away, we launch ourselves straight away into quadratic equation mode. So A, B and C. So we say the quadratic formula template is x squared plus bx plus c is equal to y. Y must be 0. So what is the A value? A value is, and the B value is minus 4. The C value is minus 35. Not 35, minus it. Well done. Okay, now we need to do the quadratic equation. The quadratic equation is what? So we say x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, all of that divided by 2a. Let's start putting the values in. So we can say x is equal to 9. It says minus b. What is the value of b anyway? Minus 4. What's minus 4? Plus 4. That's one possible place for you to make a mistake. B squared is minus 4 squared. Take away 4 times by the A value is 5 times by the C value, which is minus 35. Just put little brackets in here so we don't get confused with the signs. And all of that divided by 2 times by 5. So we need to put that into the calculator and then change the plus into minus for the second go, and we'll get some set of answers. So let's have a quick go at that using the calculator. What's happening here? Okay, calculator over here, please. Alright, let's have a look. So let's put that in. So it's going to be fraction 4 plus first of all. And then we use the shift square root. And then we do minus 4 squared. Little bracket, minus 4, close bracket, squared, take away 4 times by 5 times by bracket minus 35. So what we see here is what we type in exactly, even though we might know a simpler way of writing it. Replay, get to the bottom, and then the bottom goes 2 times by 5 equals. So ladies, what do we get for the first answer? X is equal to, oops, I've lost my calculator again. Okay, let me just copy it, move over here. So I get X equals 3.075. I'm not going to round off yet.
Isn't that plus 4 supposed to be minus 4?
Where?
That, the X bit. Because it says minus B.
If we do minus minus.
You got minus B.
Oh,
So 2 minus make a plus. So you take it, that's right. That's right. It's minus 4 is plus 4. That's why this one here is minus, that one's plus. Okay. So that's x1. Now we're going to need to work out x2. For x2, we need to get the calculator back in. And that's refusing to comply with the regulations. Right. We need to use replay. Okay. Okay, whoa. I said delete that. That plus becomes minus. Equals. Go on.
Plus. Oh, why did you do plus 4? I didn't get it. Because
This one here.
it's always going to be minus.
Because it says minus the b value. B is already minus. When you minus, a minus value becomes positive. Because you're doing minus 4. Minus 4 becomes plus 4. There are two minuses.
Where's minus 4? Minus 4x. There's
Okay.
minus 4x minus b.
No, here,
B
look.
is
Here,
minus 4.
here, look here.
Oh, you've done that. I think you did it wrong.
No, it's right.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
Because my calculates to give it minus.
Okay, so the second answer will give you minus 2.275817633.
It's because you're 30, minus 35 is not in brackets.
Okay. Right, so we got our two x values. Now we need to work out the two y values. So what do? We get these x values here and we substitute this x value into the linear equation. So we say y is equal to 2x minus 1. So y is equal to 2 times by 3.07 blah 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 minus 1. And then we do the same for the second value. Y equals 2 times by minus 2.27 blah 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 minus 1. So that should give us two answers. So y is equal to and y is equal to. So we're going to use our calculator to work out those values. So let's have a look. So 2 times by the previous answer, shift, answer, and then minus 1. So when we use the negative value, what do we get? Whoops. Disappearing. What do we get? Minus 5.51, yeah? Is that right?
Yeah.
Minus 5.5163. Okay. Now we need to do 2 times by this number minus 1. So we do 2 times by 3.075817632.
So is it alright if you round up the numbers?
I wouldn't round it off first. I'll round up at the end. What do we get for that one then? 5.15. Okay, folks, remember this number 5.156, yeah? 5.156. 5.15. 5.1516. Okay, that will do for this one place. Now, we need to round everything up now on this stage. So we need x values to hand decimal places. To here. Up to here, and the y values up to 2. Okay, let's give the new answers. So 3.075 becomes 3.08. That's my x1. Minus 2.275 becomes. Okay, Sonia. That'll give you then minus 2.28 x2. Okay. Y1 5.1516 becomes 5.1. Stay the same. And y2 that becomes minus 5.52. So 1, 2, 3, 4 answers using decimal places and calculator. And that's the end of that question.